Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick hair tutorial on how you can get these see-through bangs. First, I'm just gonna part my hair and then comb my hair to the front. Next, I'm just basically parting my hair to the side and only keeping a small section in the front. If you don't trust yourself cutting your own hair, I suggest going to the hair salon and they'll do it for you. I went ahead and twisted my hair, but you don't have to do this step. This step is optional. I had my hair right about at the top of my nose bridge, and then I just snipped away. You can play around with your bangs and style it how the way you want it. I went back and snipped the ends to make it fluffy. Next, I grabbed a small section of hair on both sides and cut it so I can frame my face. You can cut it short or long. I kept mine long because I like the look of it. So that is it. This is how the see-through bangs look like. What I like about these bangs is that on certain days when you don't want bangs, you can always part it to the side, just like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick hair tutorial. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!